Welcome to Autos Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to the all-new BMW 3 Series 2026, a car that blends tradition with innovation, offering a perfect mix of style, performance and advanced technology that takes driving pleasure to the next level. The 2026 BMW 3 Series continues the legacy of one of the most iconic sedans in the world. With a sleek redesigned exterior, the new model looks more aggressive and dynamic than ever before. The front fascia features a bold kidney grille that seamlessly integrates with sharper LED headlights, giving it a modern yet unmistakably BMW look. The aerodynamic body lines not only enhance its appearance but also improve efficiency and handling. Under the hood, the 2026 3 Series offers a range of powertrains, including highly efficient petrol and diesel engines as well as plug-in hybrid options. BMW has focused on delivering more power with lower emissions, making it a great choice for those who care about performance and the environment. The new mild hybrid system adds an extra boost when accelerating, ensuring smooth and responsive driving whether you are cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Inside the cabin, you are greeted with an interior that is both luxurious and functional. High-quality materials, premium leather upholstery and attention to detail make the cabin feel upscale. The driver-focused cockpit now features a large curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. With the latest iDrive 9 software, you get faster processing, wireless updates and intuitive controls. Voice commands and gesture controls make interacting with the car easier and safer. In terms of technology, the 2026 3 Series is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and a new semi-autonomous driving mode for highway use. The car uses multiple sensors and cameras to ensure maximum safety for you and your passengers, making every journey more relaxing and secure. The BMW 3 Series 2026 is not just about comfort and tech, it also offers the kind of sharp handling and driving dynamics that BMW is famous for. The chassis has been refined to provide a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. The steering is precise, the suspension is well tuned and the overall driving experience is engaging and fun. So whether you are looking for a practical family sedan, a stylish executive car or a sporty daily driver, the new BMW 3 Series 2026 has something for everyone. Stay tuned to Autos Car for more in-depth reviews, test drives and comparisons of the latest models. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on your favorite cars.